In this digital age, handcrafted items have become even more special. So today I'm going to show you how to handcraft some Christmas cards with watercolor that will be treasured by the people that you love. Stick around. So I'm taking 11 by 15, 140 pound cold press paper from a pad, and I can get 2 5 by 7 greeting cards out of each sheet. Now I'm doing 5 by 7 because when you hand paint this little jewel, some people will want to keep it and frame it. In fact, you can give them a frame along with the watercolor card, and it makes a great gift. What I've done is add a little bit of this colorless art masking fluid to here and little sprinkles here and there. I'm going to paint the surrounding mountains as if it's daylight. Even though we will make this into a nighttime scene. One of the beauties of transparent watercolor is layering. And put down the color and then pull some out. Kind of make that a soft outline on the mountains. Now I'm going to skip to the foreground, which will be darker because it's closer to us. And I'm skipping up here so that I don't touch the mountains right now. With watercolor, you have to skip around to let one area dry while you're working on another area. You can just whip out the blow dryer, which I have here, if you want to speed the process, but sometimes, you know, I just skip around. Okay, lift out some color. Check this to see if it's dry enough. It is. So I'll go back to that. I looked up pictures of Bethlehem and tried to imagine the stone buildings back in the day of Jesus. And I'm not going to give them any detail. They're just going to be little blobs of some color. So don't stress about that. This is not a lesson where you have to be a good artist. Okay, no detail, just little bits of color here and there. Now I do have kind of a wall around the city. I've left a tiny little sliver of white on top. With this color for the earth, I'm not going to totally cover every little bit. I'm leaving some white. So when I do the blue transparent layer, blue is going to lay into those areas and make it look like, you know, the moon or the star is highlighting that area. I think I'll even bring some texture in here. Okay, now I'm going to mix the nighttime sky color. I already have a lot of dark right here. And then I'm going to come down into more of a purplish color to just bring more color into it. And some purple. Some ultramarine. A little bit of glycerin crimson. Now I really want to thin it out down here because we're going to wash it over the mountains. And down here I want cerulean blue. And we'll come back with a little bit more ultramarine. Now, you can lift out areas. Try not to muddy your artwork. You can lift a little bit out. And this, we're gonna make God's rays of light. Just drag from the star down to Bethlehem. Okay. And then up off the page. Now, if this were like a regular star, I was trying to do that, I would, you know, come out from all corners, but I really want it to emphasize the cross in this. And once I lift off the masking fluid, I'm going to come back and kind of soften the white. Don't forget to subscribe, watch more videos, and I'll see you soon.